Jai to everyone, and I am hoping that all are you staying home and maintaining social distance. Today we will cover cloud security, and in cloud security we will cover mainly infrastructure security. Infrastructure security has three types: network level security, host level security, and application level security. Everywhere, whatever you are doing, security is most important feature. If your application is very good, its performance is very nice, but if it is not secure, then it will be threat for the business and threat for the customer data as well. You are familiar about the lots of example, like in recent year, Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook security threat. He has to be present before the Senate of America. So if you are a cloud provider, in that case, if you are not maintaining the security, it will harmful for your business and your reputation as well. Second thing, if you are a customer and if you are not aware about the security threats, in that case you may be exploited. So everywhere there is a requirement of cloud security. So here in cloud, security also needed. Since you know that one of the essential feature of the cloud is internet and shared resources. Means without internet there is no significance of cloud. So if you are sharing your resources, like you are sharing your resources in infrastructure as a service, there also be security threats to your storage, your processing power, and even some of the vendors use the network as well. So if you are providing a network facility, your network is also exposed to the customers. If we take the case of platform as a service, you are providing the platform, user may exploit some of the vulnerability. If you are familiar about the port scanner, and if you have any time read any ethical hacking, in that case you would be familiar about the port scanner. What is the port scanner? Port scanner scans the open port and find the vulnerable port which is open, and after that port may be exploited by the hacker. So if you are providing a cloud service provider and you are providing a port, in that case you are providing any platform, in that case those open port may be a problem. Same thing, if you are providing any software may have some certain type of vulnerability, certain types of open ports, certain type of open connections. So that software as a service is also vulnerable. If you take in terms of cloud, there is no significance that whether it is a platform as a service, whether it is a software as a service, or whether it is a software as a service. Means all three are vulnerable. The main cloud security is dependent not on your infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. It depends that whether your cloud is public, private, or private. If we take example of private cloud may be on site or maybe it providing the service to the outside. On site, suppose you are taking a open source software like OpenStack. After that you are developing a cloud inside your campus or inside your organization, and behind the firewall that cloud is running. That is the on-site cloud which is provided to you, and on that cloud you may apply security features, and this will work according to your requirement. So a private cloud is much more secure than the other cloud. Same thing if we take an example of private cloud service provider like Salesforce.com. It is also maintaining the private cloud